Good morning, folks. Catfish Cliff Dweller here, back out on the road. We packed up camp this morning out of Sage Creek Campground, and we are now in the South District of the Badlands, checking some things out. This is a much more remote area of the national park. Not very many people come down to this section, and we are right now on Sheep Mountain Road. It is a four-wheel drive only road that goes up to the top of a table mountain. So we're going to see if the Subaru can handle it.
Yep. Let's see.
Here we are. We're on top of Sheep Mountain now. So from up here, it just feels like you're driving through a prairie, doesn't it, Catfish?
Yep.
Yeah. Here in a minute, we'll go off to the side and you'll see what we're really on. This is where the four-wheel drive part comes in handy. Well, the Subaru handled that road pretty well. There are a few ruts there, but nothing too severe. Here's what we're on. Beautiful place, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep, our little Subaru gets us to some pretty amazing places, doesn't it, buddy?
Yep.
Can't beat that.